Video, I'll break down the top 5 vlogging cameras in 2025 and explain which vlogging camera I found to be the absolute best this year. I'll go in descending order, starting with number 5 and working my way up to my number 1 pick. At the end, you'll see which I think is the best vlogging camera of 2025 overall. If you want to check prices, I've linked every product mentioned in the description. At number 5, we have the Sony ZV-1F, and while it comes last on this list, it's still one of the best budget vlogging cameras of 2025 and one of the most popular compact vlogging cameras for beginners. This model was designed specifically for creators with a 20.1 megapixel 1-inch Exmor RS CMOS sensor paired to a 20mm f2 fixed wide-angle lens, which makes it excellent for tight spaces, selfies, and handheld recording. It records 4K video at 30 FPS with sharp detail and clean colors. For vloggers just starting out on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, it's incredibly easy to use. The 425-point eye-tracking autofocus system locks on your face naturally, so you don't need to worry about blurry shots. Its vari-angle flip-out 3-inch flat screen lets you frame your shots easily, while the directional 3-capsule microphone with a bundled windscreen ensures clear audio even outdoors. These features make it one of the best compact vlogging cameras for social media creators in 2025. Other useful tools include background defocus mode for blurred backdrops, product showcase setting for review-style content, and vertical video support, which has become critical for TikTok Reels, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram videos. Add in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, plus the ability to double as a plug-and-play webcam for live streaming, and you've got one of the most versatile entry-level vlogging cameras in 2025. The only drawback is that it can struggle outdoors in harsh light, but overall it remains a top affordable vlogging camera for creators this year. At number 4 is the DJI Pocket 2, and this is hands down one of the best travel vlogging cameras in 2025 for creators who want professional-looking stabilized footage without carrying bulky gear. Unlike most compact vlogging cameras, it has a built-in 3-axis gimbal system which smooths out every movement and delivers cinematic video straight out of the pocket. It records 4K video at up to 60 FPS with 100 megabits per second bitrate and offers super slow motion at 240 FPS in 1080p. The 1.7-inch sensor performs very well in bright conditions, and with the D-Cine-like profile, you get flexibility and post-production color grading, which is something travel vloggers and filmmakers really value. This makes it one of the best compact 4K vlogging cameras in 2025 for on-the-go creators. The Active Track system automatically keeps you in frame, while features like time-lapse, hyperlapse, and motion lapse make creative shots simple. You can connect it to your smartphone for a larger viewing screen and better control, which many creators appreciate when filming on the road. On top of that, the camera supports both built-in microphones and wireless microphone options, giving vloggers more flexibility in capturing professional quality sound. Its biggest strength is portability. It's a true pocket-sized 4K vlogging camera. While it struggles in low light and high contrast situations, it's still one of the best vlogging cameras for travel vloggers in 2025, especially for those who want stabilized cinematic footage without carrying heavy gear. Coming in at number 3 is the Canon PowerShot V10, and this stands out as one of the latest compact vlogging cameras in 2025 built specifically for creators. With its 1-inch 20.1 megapixel BSI CMOS sensor, it captures 4K 30 FPS and 15.2 megapixel stills through its 19mm wide-angle lens. This makes it an excellent option for lifestyle, travel, and casual vlogging. One of its best features is audio. The built-in stereo microphones with a wind filter produce surprisingly clear sound without the need for extra gear, making this one of the best vlogging cameras with good audio in 2025. The 2-inch flip-up touchscreen allows easy self-recording, while face-tracking autofocus and digital image stabilization help keep video steady. The camera also comes with an integrated stand, which eliminates the need for a tripod in casual settings. A small but practical touch for vloggers who want a compact, reliable, all-in-one vlogging camera in 2025. Battery life isn't the strongest, with about an hour of 4K recording per charge, and heat management may limit recording to around 23 minutes at a time. But for vloggers who want a compact, reliable, all-in-one vlogging camera in 2025, the Canon PowerShot V10 is an excellent option that balances simplicity with creator-friendly features. At number 2, we have the Sony Alpha ZV-E10, and this is one of the most powerful mirrorless vlogging cameras in 2025. It's a huge step up from compact options because it combines portability with professional features. The 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor delivers stunning image quality, capturing 4K video at 30 FPS and full HD slow motion at 120 FPS. The real strength of the ZV-E10 is versatility. It uses the Sony E-mount lens system, giving vloggers access to a huge variety of interchangeable lenses. This makes it one of the best professional vlogging cameras in 2025 for creators who want flexibility to shoot everything from wide-angle travel shots to close-up cinematic scenes. The autofocus system with 425 points locks on faces and eyes with precision even in low light. Other vlogger-focused features include a fully articulated flip-out screen, background defocus, product showcase mode, and a tally light so you always know when you're recording. For audio, it has a high-quality built-in microphone plus external microphone and headphone ports for professional setups. For creators who want advanced control, the ZV-E10 supports S-Log2, S-Log3, and HLG HDR profiles, making it one of the best vlogging cameras for color grading and cinematic YouTube content in 2025. While the only notable drawback is rolling shutter during quick pans, overall, the ZV-E10 is one of the top hybrid vlogging and photography cameras in 2025. Finally, at number 1, we have the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, which I consider the best vlogging camera in 2025 overall. DJI took what made the Pocket 2 great and elevated it into one of the most professional yet compact vlogging cameras on the market this year. It uses a 1-inch CMOS sensor, recording 4K video at 60 FPS with 10-bit color depth, and even supports 3K 60 vertical video, which is perfect for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. The rotating 2-inch touchscreen makes switching between horizontal and vertical formats seamless, giving vloggers unmatched versatility. Stabilization is where it shines. The 3-axis gimbal system ensures buttery smooth footage that looks cinematic whether you're walking, traveling, or shooting dynamic content. Add an Active Track 6.0 with Face Auto Detect, and it reliably locks onto subjects for hands-free shooting. Low-light performance is also improved thanks to the 20mm f2 lens and the larger sensor. On top of that, the battery lasts up to 116 minutes of 4K 60 FPS recording and supports fast charging. Advanced creators will love extras like D-Log-M, HLG HDR, hyperlapse, time-lapse, and multiple gimbal shooting modes, making it one of the most feature-rich vlogging cameras of 2025. For vloggers who want the latest trending vlogging camera with pro features and compact design, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is my number 1 pick for 2025. So that wraps up my list of the top 5 vlogging cameras in 2025. From beginner-friendly options like the Sony ZV-1F and Canon PowerShot V10 to professional and travel-ready cameras like the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and Sony ZV-E10, these are the only 5 you need to consider this year. Make sure to check the links in the description for updated prices and availability.